Alright, welcome back to Stoic Crypto. So runes are on fire right now. Dog Go to the Moon is literally going to the moon. It's almost an 800 million market cap, and as a result, a lot of the runes tokens are pumping right now, which is a great sign considering this is still very new and there are not a lot of people in this. What I want to show you today is how to split your runes so that you don't have to sell the whole lot size in one. So to do that, let's go ahead and connect our X1st wallet to Magic Eden. Go ahead and connect. Alright, once your wallet is connected, this portfolio tab will show up. Go ahead and click on that. And in this example, I'm going to use MrYen, Japanese businessman, which I really like this rune. I highly recommend checking it out. Not financial advice, do your own research. But they do post content, videos every day on X, and I think this one has a lot of promise. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and split it. So click on this arrow here. You can see here's the lot size that I have. You have the option to list it. Click on split. And you can split this up all the way into, if you want to do 10 different quantities, you can do that. In this case, we'll just split it in two, and then you can either manually enter the amount or just hit max. So again, that's the amount that I have. It's going to split it in two, so I'll have that many per lot. So then I'm going to go ahead and simply click split runes. Your X1st wallet will open. You're going to have to pay a fee. In this case, it's pretty low, so we'll go ahead and click confirm. It says rune split. View transaction. That'll open up mempool where you can monitor the status of your transaction. Right now it's unconfirmed. I'll go ahead and pause this video and be back after it's confirmed. Alright, so we have 18 confirmations. That took a little while. It took about 40-45 minutes, so the network must be busy, but let's go ahead and go back to Magic Eden. And so this is the one that we just split up. Let's open our portfolio and see what it looks like. Alright, so you can see MrYen, Japanese man now has two lots. Alright, so let's click on this again, and there you go. You can see it broken into two different lots, equal sizes. There's definitely some benefits if you have a big lot of a runes token to go ahead and split it up if you plan to sell a little bit of it. So that's how you do it. If this was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.